come on. Sit here. Dra ka lang.
Ay, dito lang ako.
I'm gonna sit here. There.
Gonna here. Gonna listen.
Okay.
If how fast is he as fast as
Come on. Prove her that you're the fastest boy. Diba you read the fastest last time? Okay. Basahin na
Just
Ano?
tingnan mo lang kung anong tulog lang.
What's the time?
What's the time? It's 32. Okay. I will
Now
give you...
it's minutes and 20 minutes.
Okay, yes.
Okay, wow, may timer pala siya.
Yes! Oh, come on. Read it.
Come on, let's start there.
Oh.
How fast?
Ma, ta, lam,
Mhm.
la,
What's the letter?
la.
What's the sound?
Sound.
The sound, what's the sound? Ito maba ko ang ate.
Anong baho? Sagwas na. Dito, oh. Dito. Sige na, come on. Sit na.
Let me close
Don't.
it.
Oh, just leave it open, Nate. Madulom na karon. Sige na, come on. Sit here. Sige na, pagkatapos yun yung magano to. It came from the outside. From the window because the window is open. Sige na. Come on.
And the dog is when he's outside and he jumps.
Oh, sige na, buhay na. Nakagmabasa na. Oh. Tapos na nakabasa, kaya will give you pila ka minutes na lang karon. 19 minutes. Come on.
About 10
Mm.
minutes.
Dasig-dasig tanan na. Oh, sige, basa na.
About 15.
I will just give you 17 minutes.
About 15.
Later, I will give you 15. After you read this, I will give you 18 minutes. Come on. Lim. Okay. Tuloy-tuloy.
Ma, la, ta, lim.
Very good. Tuloy. Mabilis.
Ma, ta, lim.
Very good.
Ang, ta, la, gal,
Wait.
re,
Okay. Tuloy-tuloy.
la, ga, re,
Mabilis.
la, ga, re,
Good job.
nang, ta, thai,
Tuloy-tuloy.
ta, thai, nai,
Mhm.
na,
Ni.
ni,
Ni.
ya,
Very good. Okay, let's proceed.